Hello Crafters! I'm here to play Will You Press the Button? So, this first question is, you will be able to teleport to any destination in the world at will, but you will not be able to take anything with you, not even your clothing. Ooh. Wait, I already pressed that button. Good, I guess? Alright, anyway, let's get on with this. You will have amazing sex one time with any woman you desire. You have a 50% chance of getting AIDS. I will not press the button because this doesn't even occur to me. Alright. 32% people have pressed the button. See? I think that's kind of a good one for other people. Alright, the Homestuck comic ends forever. It gets 300 episodes anime adaptation. I don't even know what Homestuck is, so I hear a lot of people talk about it. Link in the comments below what Homestuck is, I really want to know. Alright. I don't know. Alright, you will become ruler of the world, but you hear country music all the time. Alright guys, let's see here. I will end this video shortly after a few more questions. Alright. You would be the most popular person in your town, but the only social network you could use would be Google+. Well, if I'm really popular in my own town, like, what if I never heard of other websites, huh? You never think of that? Alright, press the button. 51 people have pressed this button, see? See? And 49 did not. Ooh, that's a really close ratio there. Alright, this dilemma is good. That's a good one. A magical genie appears to grant you infinite wishes. You have to sacrifice a loved one per wish. No! Of course not. No. People have pressed this button. 41 people have pressed this button. Well, 59% did not. I just read in the comments it said Justin Bieber is my loved one now. I wish I would never have to sacrifice a loved one. That's a good one. That's good. Okay, that was a good situation. You can go to Hogwarts, but Umbridge is the headmaster. Well, you can always get rid of Umbridge, like in the movie. So, going to Hogwarts, heck yeah. I would want to go to Hogwarts. 51 people have pressed this button, while 49 did not. Alright. See? See? Hey look, Apple. An apple kills, boom. Kill her, bro. Just kill her. Alright. Rate this dilemma. That is a pretty good one, I guess. You can have anything you desire. You have to put it together yourself. No instructions. I guess I could figure it out, but I'm not good with something without instructions. I'm sorry. I won't. Me too. I understand you. Margaret Reed, you have to put it together yourself. And then sell it and hire someone to put everything else together. Ooh. That's good. Hold on, guys. Alright, let's see what this question is. You will get unlimited wishes from a genie for the rest of your life. Ooh, interesting. But no one will never want to be in a relationship with you, or have any romantic interactions, and this cannot be wished away. Wait, no one will never want to be in a relationship. Not no one will ever. Aha. So press the button. Keyword is no one will never want to be in a relationship. Not no one will ever. Alright, that was a good one. Alright. Ability to speak, read, write, and sign in any language, but not being able to taste food. Oh gosh, no, no. That was a bad dilemma. Like, what? You get to travel the world, visiting every country and meeting loads of new people. You never get to see your family again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Like, never get to see your family again. That's hush. No, I'm not. Well, in that case, that changes nothing. Like that, I'm really pressing it. Really? 46 people pressed the button and 54 did not. See? There you go. That was a pretty good one. You have the ability to build anything, anytime, anywhere, but you lack the materials needed and always have to find or buy them in order to build what you want. I would say if you lack the materials to build the thing. Wait, you lack the materials needed and always have to find or buy them in order to build what you want. You have the ability to build anything, anytime, anywhere. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care about buying the stuff to build what I want. That was a pretty good one. You gain the looks, skills, and suave of James Bond, or Suave, whatever, but you are forced to work for MI6 for the rest of your life, meaning you can have no friends, family, or any shot at a normal life. You know what, I like secret agents and stuff. That stuff is fun, like Mission Impossible and all that, but I like to be a normal person. Like, I don't want to get in too much danger. So I will not press the button. But if you're like James Bond, that means you can get laid a lot. Really, if you become like James Bond, it means that you can cease to resist. I guess so. Suave, sway. You think the kids here can spell? Alright. So that is a pretty good one. Alright, you get paid 140k yearly, but you have to work 66-hour weeks in a sewer. Wait, oh, I pressed the button, darn it. That was actually, guys. Sorry, that is a bad one. You are immortal. Ooh. But every 100 years, your memory of everyone you've ever known in your life erases. They'll still remember you, but in your eyes, they're complete strangers. But you still remember any knowledge or skills you have ever attained. Oh gosh, that's sad. Oh gosh. You're immortal, but then you forget everyone you've ever known in your life erases. Oh gosh, I don't think I can live with that. I will not. Like, I'd just be like a walking immortal, like, zombie guy, whatever, walking around not knowing anyone. So bad. A new gaming console is created that is perfect in every way. and free to you. You will never be able to use any other device with internet access. No, not internet access. What would I do without internet access? A new gaming console is created. Well, I guess I could try it, so never hurts to try. That was a good one. You will have a neat sweater, but it's kinda itchy. I can just always find another neat sweater that's not itchy, so I won't press the button. It's just a sweater. I think that was a bad dilemma. You can hear other people's thoughts whenever you're around a person, but you can never tune them out. Oh gosh, like thoughts of what people are thinking. You could hear people's thoughts in your head forever. Dang, I won't press the button. That was a good dilemma. You will be given $1 million, but wait, why did it say but twice? But you will be given $1 million, but you must donate it to charity. Yes, heck yes. Press the button. Yes. Alright guys, that's it for Will You Press the Button? Join me next time on JAXCRAFT Gaming or JAXCRAFT Plays. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'm out. Bye.